Hello, what's up, traders? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video lesson, we are looking at weekly forex forecast. So, weekly forex forecast is analysis we normally do most of the time Saturdays on Sunday or Sundays. Okay, we pick the three pairs, analyze the pairs for the week, then we focus on that three pairs and watch what the market looks like. So if the market goes in our favor, we take the trade. If it doesn't go in our favor, then we have to wait patiently for the market to reveal itself and then show the direction it wants to take, then for us to follow with the next decision. Okay, so that is what we normally do here. So what you are seeing here is a previous analysis or previous weekly forex forecast. Okay, I think the market plays out well because we were expecting the market should come down first year, although he didn't get to this low. Then we expect that the market will definitely come to this high, and the market came. Okay, give us a triple top or double bottom, double top, then before it finally drop. Okay, so whenever analysis like this come up, just have to wait because we are just a trader. We are only anticipating, trying to project what may likely to be the outcome during the course of the week or course of the trading in the week. So it's not a must that it must happen so exactly the way we expect it to be. No. Okay. So all you need to do is that if this is a zone and this is the zone, you have to be looking at the market based on the zone, because you may predict that the market will first of all come down to this zone and it didn't come down to this zone. What happened? Only this candle alone have told you that the market has broke. Okay, so now having crossed this very particular channel, so what are you supposed to be doing? You start looking for buy. Okay, then once you get to the strong zone like this, then you look for a sell. It's not a must that it must follow the rules or maybe the analysis so exactly. No. Although it all depends on your individual experience. It depends on individual's experience. Okay. So that is just it. So for today, what we have for today is three pairs as usual. What we have today is gold. Okay. We have gold here. We have a NZD USD and the USD card. These are the things we have for today. Okay, so let's begin with the gold. So as we all can see, the market is uptrending. That is a general trend. The general trend of the market is uptrending. And with the look of things, I personally am seeing the market pulling back. Okay, that's what I'm just seeing happening right now. The market may likely to pull back. Okay. Permit me to do this as well. Sorry. Okay. So now, what are we seeing? The market is not longer making a higher high. Okay. The market is no longer making a higher high. And then what will be the projection? The projection is that the market may likely to pull back to this very particular zone. Okay. Or if possible, it can also come down to this very particular zone. Whichever way, I don't know, but that is what I'm just seeing. We are just a retail trader. We do not control the market. Okay. The market will always have its way to do whatever it wants to do. Okay, but for my projection, this is what I'm seeing, that the market may still come down, break the trend line, retest the trend line, then drop to this point. If possible, before it wants to drop to the next point, it may want to retest, then after which it can drop maybe a kind of double bottom, then before it finally peak. Okay, so that is what I personally am foreseeing. So I don't know about you guys. Feel free to comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this particular analysis. Okay, maybe we are on the same page or you are seeing something different. So feel free, guys. Let's hear from you. It's important that I also learn from you. Okay, so the next pair we have here is NZD USD. NZD USD. I think I'm also seeing the market buying. Okay, so if it doesn't buy, it's a normal thing to all traders. Okay, so what is happening here is that the market may also likely to come and work this trend line. We want to see it either reject again, okay, to complete the three bottom or triple bottom. If it continue flow, it's fine. But this is what I want to see. All right. Having break above the trend line, retest, then work up to this very particular high. Okay. So this is what I personally am seeing. So what do you think about this? What do you think about this? You know, from what I'm seeing is a kind of a cup. Okay. There is a strategy or analysis we call a cup. I think this is what I'm just trying to see. But if it doesn't play out this way, it's okay. Then the market always have its way to do whatever it wants to do. Okay, we are just a retail trader who anticipates, projects what may likely to happen. At the same time, we do not control the market. That is always my slogan. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. This is what I'm seeing. Okay, from this particular pair. So guys, feel free, let me know what you think about it. Okay, let me know what you think about this. So if you are on the same page or you are seeing something different, feel free, let me know what you think about this, guys. Okay, so this is a NZD USD. So the third pair now we are looking at, which is the last one, is a US card. Okay, so in the US card here, I can quickly see some important zone that the market is flowing down to. Okay, I don't know if it will definitely get here, is what I don't know, because the general trend of this very particular pair is uptrending. Okay, and right now the market has worked head and shoulder. Okay, and break this very below this very particular low. So we are seeing the market downtrending. For a clearer view, I want to bring it down to 1 hour. Okay, so now that we are in the 1 hour, it's obvious that the channel is so clear. Okay, so we can see that the market is downtrending. Sorry about this. Okay, so what would I do? I will duplicate this channel. This is what I'm seeing. So the market may likely come and work this high. Okay, then reject down to this low, probably wants to pull back, then drop, okay, to the next zone. I think this is what I'm foreseeing. Then maybe before it may reverse from here, okay, or sorry about that, or it may also wants to reverse from here, whichever way. Okay, so this is all I'm foreseeing for myself. So I don't know about you guys. I don't know about you. Okay, so feel free, let me know what you think about this. Kindly feel free, comment in the comment section. Let me know if you are in the same page or you are seeing something different. Okay, I think this is where I'll have to stop for today. The 3 pairs for this week is complete. So if you can be disciplined with 3 pairs, I promise you, you're going to be more profitable than jumping from one pairs to another. Okay, so guys, I wish you a profitable trading week. All right, guys, have a beautiful weekend. Bye.